Stay in Holiday Inn Express Pluit Citygate, got friendly staff, unboxing corner room, and connected to the mall. Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good morning, Jakarta, Indonesia. I spent a night in this vibrant city and chose a hotel close to the airport. Let me share you my journey with you. As always, this was how I got here. I flew on China Airlines A350 in economy class from Taipei to Jakarta. If you want to know more about my VIP meet and greet experience in Taipei, the Taiwanese Home-Based Skyteam Lounge, and the surprising Michelin Green Star experience in economy class, check out the link below for all the details. Now back to Jakarta. I'll be staying at the Holiday Inn Express Pluit Citygate. While it's a budget-friendly hotel, it has a fantastic feature. It's connected to a mall. The staff here is incredibly friendly, and during my check-in, I was fortunate enough to be upgraded to the corner room, the largest room type available. Now let's have a room tour. As an IHG Diamond member, I received a welcome drink, and to my surprise, they even delivered to the room. Nice touch. Here is the double bed with a towel flower decor. Speaking of the bed, it was clean, and they provided both firm and soft pillow options. The room includes a fridge, though it's empty as expected. You'll find bottles of water, a boiler, coffee and tea. The corner room also features a sofa as a living area. However, the angle of TV is a bit awkward, perhaps a bit far from the bed, and not quite right for the sofa area. What are your thoughts? The open closet has a safe on the right, along with budget-friendly slippers and a laundry bag, making it business traveler-friendly. Moving on to the working desk, it faces a large window providing a view of Jakarta North City. Finally, let's check out the bathroom. It's equipped with a simple shower facility and Dove amenities. Thankfully not a 3-in-1. There's a toilet, towels, a big mirror, and small sink with all the necessary amenities. The beauty of this hotel, Holiday Inn Express Pluit in Jakarta, is actually not a room type because Holiday Inn Express is quite standard. However, this hotel is inside a shopping mall. It's super convenient. Let's go take a look. Connected to the Holiday Inn Express is Emporium Pluit Mall. Before we check out this shopping avenue, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. This mall has massive family shopping and dining options. You won't get hungry here. Unfortunately, I don't have time to enjoy the breakfast this time, but there's always next time. I might just come back in the near future. In my next video, I'll be flying to Istanbul on Turkish Airlines 777-300ER in business class. We'll explore the Plaza Premium Lounge in Jakarta Airport and take a closer look at the business class products and services on this 11-hour journey. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.